Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. Today just have a cactus chore here, or a succulent chore. This is the Madagascar false Octillio, Alluaudia Procera. So this one it has 4 different segments that have been in there. Definitely need to repot it, and I kind of want to stake it up so it grows vertical. This little guy was struggling a little bit, but still going to give him his own pot there. But yeah, let's get this going. Just going to be doing it into gallon pots here, and let's get them all separated. Easiest way here. Have to dig out a little first. Just go around the outside, trying not to destroy it. Much easier when they're in plastic pots. I think that should do it. There we go. Take a hit there. Should be somewhat easy to separate now. It's out today, let's say right around like 74. So got a couple of warmer days left, and then it's gonna start going in the 60s. But wanted to kind of get these set up so that come springtime, they'll have their own little growing areas here. Take out the little one first. Not too many roots on it. Probably gonna cut that eventually too, but just separate these out. Kind of massage them there. Little wiggle, 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 wiggle. Perfect. Get all that off. I'm gonna go into a little bit of a more inorganic soil. I'm gonna do like 60% cactus mix and then 40% pumice. This one looks good. Last 2. These have actually started to branch already, which is cool. I heard these propagate pretty easy from cutting too. Not gonna do that right away, but kind of get them established first. Gonna be fun. We'll try to stand it up as best we can. Don't want to damage the plant, but definitely want to try to get it more on a straight arc. This is a really nice one. Thick at the base, thick roots. Definitely was a cutting at one point as well. So that's usually how you get them from the nurseries anyways, but yeah, this one's neat. Then let's get these potted up. All right, here we go. Always have planes going over, but definitely gonna stand these in there, and then I'm gonna try to stake them and then give them a little tie so they hold a little bit firmer. Grab this real quick. Like I said, this is 60% cactus mix, about 40% chunky pumice. This is the cactus mix I'm using, the black gold by Sungrow. I like it a lot. It just has really good drainage. Makes for really good knee protectors here too. I've been using them a lot when I'm potting things up. I always have bags laying around, so keeps it comfortable while I'm doing this. We'll get a stake. Got everything set, and we'll try to get the stake in there. Try to get this tied up a little bit. It's kind of cool because it kind of sits with those spikes kind of rest on it. So what we'll do is we'll kind of work that around. Probably gonna lose some of the gloves right now. Nothing too crazy. I'll just give it a couple little ties. Just kind of get it into that area where it's growing straight. Give it a little bit of influence that way. So I don't want them growing sideways. Kind of let them get out of control over there in that pot. But yeah, then to give it a little bit more stability, I'm gonna fill it with that little like gravel and stone or whatnot, and that'll kind of give it and make it sit in place. So we'll get the other ones tied up, and then we'll do the gravel kind of at the end. All right, let's get this one in. This one's kind of the wild one. This one's probably gonna be the most fun. Have a little press down here. We'll try to maybe capture it like that. Using the glove a little bit more for this one because I bet it would have got me a couple times already. I think that's our best bet on this one, is to try to go up a little bit. So I don't think we're going to be able to get it as a straight shot on this one in particular, but hopefully we can get the base to kind of grow straight like that. I think that'll do it. I don't want to kind of bend it back in, so let's just do it like that. That one was definitely growing a little cray, so we'll take what we can get on that one. This one should be much better, much straighter. Nice. This one. Trying to take out the Tersekii here. There we go. Let's do it kind of like that. There we go. Get it straight. Much better on that one. You can kind of play with the, because this is going to be in the greenhouse, it's not going to get a ton of wind to blow it off of that. So you can kind of play and use the spines to kind of help you straighten it. So this one really good. Should be able to straighten him out. And then we got the little guy. I'll just take this off first. Maybe I'll learn by now, instead of taking the gloves off every time. There we go. Really big stake for a really small plant, but hopefully he will grow big in the coming years here. Then we'll go from there. We'll get him kind of set up straight like this, and then I'll probably cut off right there, like right above it, and might have some branching come off in different ways, but it's just, this is done. So, but wanted to get him set up inside there, and then we can get some of the stone over, and we'll kind of finish these off. Right, and got this Vigoro. It's like all-purpose stone. You can get it at Home Depot or Lowe's. Just like a drainage rock or whatever. So I use that as a top dressing for pretty much everything. But that will kind of hold this with some weight in place. That way the stake will kind of stay tight and give these guys some upright positioning for when spring hits. So always something to do. When it turns out a growing season, then it's like you start thinking about, man, I want to get ready for the next one. Make sure everything's going, and we're warm enough to where I can do this right now. I wouldn't want to do this in the middle of winter, but we are good to go right now. Get these in the greenhouse. This one's gonna be the funkiest one of the bunch, but maybe it'll grow pretty cool. We'll see, otherwise I might have to adjust. But just don't want to damage it too much right now. There we go. So they definitely have some weight on the top. But yeah, Alluaudia, Procera, false Octillios, or Madagascar Octillios. Super cool plants. I'm gonna get these in the greenhouse and yeah, we'll get some more chores going later this week. But just kind of wanted to show you what I'm doing today. Got the polytunnel on the big greenhouse, and we'll probably do a video this weekend. Thanks, everybody. Have a good night.